Hello everyone. Physics is never a difficult subject for a student who is interested, provided he or she has a clear and strong physics teacher. So here I am, Mr. Dharanidhar, your favorite physics teacher in your favorite YouTube channel, Bhautics. So today's question is, I brought an MCQ to you. So read the question. The maximum resistance of a network of 5 identical resistors of 1 by 5 ohm each can be. Means there are 5 resistances. All the resistances are identical and each resistance having a value of 1 by 5 ohm. How can we connect? It is our wish to connect the way we need to connect, and the maximum resistance that can be made out of using those 5 resistance will be, that is the question. So we know that if we want the maximum resistance, we need to connect the resistances in series. So connect 5 resistances in series. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 resistances connected in series and each resistance value is 1 by 5 ohm. Okay, each resistance value is 1 by 5 ohm. So if we connect it like this, each resistance of having 1 by 5 ohm in series, we have to find out the resistance from here to here. If I name this terminal as A and this terminal as B, he is indirectly asking to find the resistance RAB. That is the question. So, when all the resistors are connected in series, what will be the formula for equivalent resistance series? In series connection, RAB will be is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 plus R5. So, that will be is equal to 1 by 5. R1, R2 all are having same value 1 by 5. So, if we add 1 by 5, 1 by 5 5 times, we are going to get 1 ohm. Sir, what is this? Sir, how will you say that if we connect in series only, we'll get maximum resistance? If we connect in parallel, it may be also getting maximum resistance. No. When we connect resistances in parallel, the equivalent resistance will be reducing in nature. So if we connect all these 1 by 5 ohm resistances in parallel, then the equivalent resistance will become 1 by 5 into 1 by 5. It becomes 1 by 25 ohms. Okay. So the equivalent resistance will be maximum when we connect the resistances in series only. That's why we connected all these resistances in series to each other. After connecting all the resistances in series to each other, we have to find out the total resistance from A to B. So from A to B, total resistance is R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 plus R5. It is resulting into 1 ohm. So option A is the correct answer. Okay. So this is for today. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.